it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing comparing yourself.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm, so that way my video can reach more people. So, you may be comparing yourself to other people, and it's making it difficult to keep fighting and keep moving forward with your journey, the goals that you want to reach. And I completely understand. I've been there. I used to do the same thing, so I know what you're going through. But once I decided to stop comparing myself to everyone else and start comparing myself to my past me or my future me, that is when my life changed. I realized that I deserved more and that I wanted more, and I was willing to do any and everything that I could to get where I wanted to be. I saw who I was in the past, and I learned that that's not the person I want to be. And I still don't understand who that person even was, or why I thought that half the things I did was okay. So I compared myself to my past and chose to have different values, have different beliefs. Your beliefs and your values make or break the way that you move in the future. So if you believe that you can get things done, if you believe that you can succeed, you will. That doesn't mean that you're not going to fail. But it does mean that when you do fail at something, that you're going to do whatever you have to do to succeed. So even if you do fail, don't give up. Find a different way to do something. Learn from that failure so that way you can succeed. And if you believe that you cannot do something, that you're not worthy enough, or you're just not smart enough, then that will be true. And you'll feel like when you fail, it's because you're dumb, or it's because you're not worthy of whatever it is you're trying to succeed at. But in reality, it's just because that's what you believe. Shit's gonna happen. You're gonna fail. All you can do is learn from it and move forward. So compare yourself to who you used to be. Compare yourself to who you want to be. Be better than who you used to be. And work on who you are now, so that way you can become the person you want to be in the future. But please, please, please stop comparing yourself to everyone around you, because they're just trying to figure life out themselves. And even if their life seems perfect, or it just seems like everything comes easy to them, it doesn't mean that that's actually true. My sister, one of my clients, she really thought that things just came easy to me. And because when I work out and I'm in pain, I have a straight face. That's me staying focused, because I know if my face says that I'm in pain, I'm going to physically feel in pain as well. So don't compare yourself to others, because you may see them as, oh, this is just easy for them. That's the only reason why they can say, oh, do this and do that, because everything just goes their way. They don't have to do too much, and it just works out. You don't know what's going on in their head. You don't know what they have to keep telling themselves in order to keep going. For all you know, they're saying, you got this. You got to keep going. I can do this. Keep going. Push it harder. Things like that. Where you have in your head, I can't do this. Look, it's not working. Why isn't this working? There's a difference in the way that you think. Okay? And everybody's on their own path. Shift your beliefs. Shift the way your mind is set up. And you will succeed at anything that you want to achieve. But you have to believe it. So, do you believe in yourself? I hope that you believe in yourself, because I believe in you. You've taken the effort to watch this video, which means you want more and you want better. So don't give up on yourself. I won't give up on you. If you need a chat, I'm here. Please continue to succeed. Continue to fail. Continue to fail. And eventually reach success. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for your support. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that way it can reach more people. And if you are looking for one-on-one coaching, a mindset coach, definitely check the link in the description below so that way you can book your free connection call with me. So that way we can figure out what it is that you would like to work on, what it is that you would like to improve on and shift your beliefs into, and eventually achieve your goals and be confident and unstoppable. I look forward to connecting with you. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.